$18.9 million in your pocket and you want to move to Dallas, Texas, or want to move up? Well, I have a beautiful home in Old Preston Hollow that I want to show you. This home is priced at $18,900,000. If that's a little rich for you, well, it has 18,700 square feet, so it's only $1,000 a square foot. But you gotta believe this, man. If you like to sleep in a separate bedroom every night of the week, I have 7 bedrooms. If you are a dirty person, I have 10 full baths and 4 half baths. And again, it's an 18,000 square feet. I have a garage to die for, so stay with this video and check it out. But it is one of the most beautiful homes in all of Dallas. It is going to auction. Like, that police car behind me is not for me. I really do belong here. But this is going to auction in July, and so there's no reserve on this property. It sits on 3.1 acres in Old Preston Hollow. It is absolutely incredible. The finish is all the way through. I know I said $1,000 a square foot, but it's unbelievable, and I think it's worth every dollar. So if this is the first time to my channel, subscribe and click like, and also ring the bell if you'd like to be alerted to next videos that I put out. I am sweating like crazy today in Dallas. I just toured this whole home. It took me about 30 minutes to go through all 18,000 square feet, and I hope you really like it. So let's take a look inside. think of the tour. Is this one gorgeous home? It's how the other people live. But if you're interested in seeing this home for a private tour before it goes on to auction, give me a call. My contact information is below. But if there's any other homes that you'd like to look at all over the Metroplex, from Dallas County, Collin County, Denton County, I'm available for you. But come check this one out if you have the deep pockets for it. Perfect location, security is high, and it's just an absolutely gorgeous French chateau. So in the next video, hope you have a great week.